Revamp, REVAMP, मतलब किसी चीज़ की संरचना या रूप में सुधार या नवीनीकरण करना. Similar words, refurbish. Overhaul, rehabilitate, ameliorate. Example: the company decided to revamp its entire marketing strategy to appeal to a younger audience. Belie, BELIE, मतलब किसी चीज़ का गलत प्रभाव देना या विरोधाभास करना. Similar words, contradict, negate, repudiate, confute. Example: his energetic performance belied his actual age and physical frailty. Indelible, INDELIBLE, मतलब ऐसे निशान जिन्हें मिटाया ना जा सके, जिसे भुलाया ना जा सके. Similar words, ineffaceable, ineradicable, inextinguishable. Enduring. Example: the war left an indelible mark on the minds of the survivors. Proper, PROPER, मतलब सामाजिक या नैतिक मानकों के अनुसार सही, शालीन. Similar words, decorous, appropriate, felicitous, seemly. Example: it is important to maintain proper decorum during the official ceremony. Concerted, CONCERTED, मतलब मिलकर किया गया प्रयास, समन्वित. Similar words, collaborative, synergetic, unanimous, collective. Example: a concerted effort by the international community is required to tackle climate change. Grating, GRATING, मतलब सुनने में कठोर और अप्रिय, परेशान करने वाला. Similar words, rasping, strident, cacophonous, jarring. Example: the high-pitched grating noise of the drill made it impossible to concentrate. Strident, STRIDENT, मतलब तेज और कठोर, अपनी बात बहुत जोर देकर कहना. Similar words, vociferous, stentorian, boisterous, clamorous. Example: the candidate's strident tone during the debate alienated many moderate voters. Lustrous, LUSTROUS, मतलब चमक वाला, चमकदार. Similar words, resplendent, burnished, effulgent, luminous. Example: she was admired for her thick, lustrous hair and radiant skin. Hoarse, HOARSE, मतलब गले में खराश या फटी हुई आवाज. Similar words, guttural, croaking, husky, gruff. Example: his voice was hoarse from shouting instructions all day. Dorsal, DORSAL, मतलब किसी जीव या अंग के ऊपरी हिस्से या पीठ से संबंधित. Similar words, posterior. Tergal, abaxial. Example: the shark's dorsal fin sliced through the surface of the water. Dormant, DORMANT, मतलब आराम या निष्क्रियता की स्थिति में होना. Similar words, quiescent, latent, inert, torpid. Example: the volcano has been dormant for centuries but could erupt at any time. Effusive, EFFUSIVE, मतलब अपनी भावनाओं को बहुत अधिक व्यक्त करना. Similar words, demonstrative, gushing, fulsome, enthusiastic. Example: the actor was effusive in his praise for the director. Ebullient, EBULLIENT, मतलब ऊर्जा और उत्साह से भरपूर. Similar words, exuberant, buoyant, vivacious, effervescent. Example: he was in an ebullient mood after passing his final exams. Rejuvenation, REJUVENATION, मतलब किसी को या किसी चीज़ को फिर से नया या जीवंत बनाने की प्रक्रिया. Similar words, resurgence, revivification, resuscitation, renovation. Example: the historic downtown area underwent a major rejuvenation project. Adulteration, ADULTERATION, मतलब किसी चीज़ में मिलावट करके उसकी गुणवत्ता को कम करना. Similar words, contamination, debasement, vitiation, spoliation. Example: strict laws are needed to prevent the adulteration of food products. Efficacious, EFFICACIOUS, मतलब वांछित परिणाम प्राप्त करने में सफल, प्रभावी. Similar words, potent, proficient, productive, effectual. Example: the new vaccine proved to be highly efficacious. Quench, QUENCH, मतलब प्यास बुझाना या शांत करना, आग बुझाना. Similar words, satiate, slake, assuage, extinguish. Example: they stopped at the well to quench their thirst after a long trek. Relish, RELISH, मतलब किसी चीज़ का बहुत अधिक आनंद लेना या स्वाद लेना. Similar words, savor, gusto, delectation, revel. Example: The children ate their ice cream with great relish. Relentless, RELENTLESS मतलब बिना रुके लगातार होने वाला, अथक. Similar words unremitting. Implacable, inexorable, persistent example. The team's relentless pursuit of excellence led them to victory. Indomitable, INDOMITABLE मतलब जिसे हराया या वश में न किया जा सके. Similar words invincible, unassailable, unconquerable, intransigent. Example. Despite setbacks, her indomitable spirit kept her moving forward. Felicity, FELICITY मतलब अत्यधिक खुशी, विचारों को सही ढंग से व्यक्त करने की क्षमता. Similar words beatitude. Rapture, bliss, euphoria. Example. The garden was a place of great felicity for the elderly couple. Stout, STOUT मतलब मजबूत कदकाठी का, बहादुर और दृढ़. Similar words portly, burly, corpulent, valiant. Example. He was a stout man with a booming voice and a kind heart. Disparity, DISPARITY मतलब दो चीजों के बीच बड़ा अंतर या असमानता. Similar words divergence. Incongruity, variance, discrepancy. Example. There is a significant disparity between the wealth of the two regions. Liberation, LIBERATION मतलब किसी को कैद या गुलामी से मुक्त करने का कार्य. Similar words emancipation, manumission, deliverance, salvation. Example. The activists fought for the liberation of political prisoners. Gaudy, GAUDY मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा भड़कीला या चमक धमक वाला. Similar words garish, meretricious, tawdry, ostentatious. Example. The room was decorated in a gaudy style that many found overwhelming. Prodigality, PRODIGALITY मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा या फालतू खर्च करना. Similar words extravagance, profligacy, squandering, improvidence. Example. The heir's prodigality led to the disappearance of the family fortune. Prodigal, PRODIGAL मतलब पैसा या संसाधन लापरवाही से खर्च करने वाला. Similar words spendthrift. Improvident, lavish, dissipated. Example. The prodigal son eventually returned home after wasting his inheritance. Prodigy, PRODIGY मतलब असाधारण प्रतिभा वाला व्यक्ति, विशेषकर कम उम्र में. Similar words virtuoso, phenom, maestro, wunderkind. Example. The young piano prodigy performed at the age of 5. Prodigious, PRODIGIOUS मतलब आकार या मात्रा में बहुत विशाल या अद्भुत. Similar words colossal, gargantuan, immense, monumental. Example. He had a prodigious appetite and could eat a lot. Progeny, PROGENY मतलब किसी व्यक्ति, पशु या पौधे की संतान या वंश. Similar words offspring, posterity, lineage, scions. Example. The breeder was proud of the progeny produced by his prize horse. Spendthrift, SPENDTHRIFT मतलब वो व्यक्ति जो बहुत अधिक फिजूल खर्ची करता है. Similar words squanderer, wastrel, profligate, big spender. Example. His reputation as a spendthrift made banks cautious about lending him money. Laudable, LAUDABLE मतलब प्रशंसा के योग्य. Similar words meritorious, estimable, exemplary, commendable. Example. Providing clean water to all is a laudable ambition. Boisterous, BOISTEROUS मतलब शोरगुल वाला और ऊर्जा से भरपूर. Similar words raucous, obstreperous, rollicking, turbulent. Example. The crowd became increasingly boisterous as the concert began. Hefty, HEFTY मतलब बड़ा, भारी और शक्तिशाली. Similar words substantial, brawny, husky, ponderous. Example. The company was hit with a hefty fine for violating regulations. Expedite, EXPEDITE मतलब किसी प्रक्रिया को और तेज करना. Similar words precipitate, accelerate, facilitate, hasten. Example. Please expedite the shipping process so the package arrives soon. Eradicate, ERADICATE मतलब पूरी तरह से नष्ट करना या जड़ से खत्म करना. Similar words annihilate, obliterate, exterminate, extirpate. Example. The government aims to eradicate poverty through education. Extirpate, extirpate, मतलब पूरी तरह से उखाड़ फेंकना या समाप्त करना. Similar words deracinate, liquidate, abolish, erase. Example: the surgeon worked to extirpate every trace of the tumor. Extradition, extradition, मतलब अपराधी को दूसरे देश या राज्य को सौंपना. Similar words deportation, banishment, expulsion, eviction. Example: the treaty facilitates the extradition of criminals between the two countries. Extricate, extricate, मतलब किसी को किसी मुश्किल या उलझन से बाहर निकालना. Similar words disentangle, liberate, disencumber, unshackle. Example: it took hours to extricate the driver from the wreckage. Inextricable, inextricable, मतलब जिसे अलग या सुलझाया ना जा सके, बहुत जटिल. Similar words inseparable, indissoluble, intricate, convoluted. Example: the history of the two nations is inextricable. Obstinacy, obstinacy, मतलब जिद्दी होने का गुण या स्थिति. Similar words obduracy, recalcitrance, mulishness, tenacity. Example: his obstinacy led to the breakdown of the negotiations. Ample, ample, मतलब पर्याप्त या जरूरत से ज्यादा, प्रचुर. Similar words substantial, copious, plenitudinous, capacious. Example: there is ample evidence to support the scientist's claim. Barbarous, barbarous, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा क्रूर या असभ्य. Similar words atrocious, vicious, sadistic, savage. Example: the prisoners were subjected to barbarous treatment. Delirious, delirious, मतलब बीमारी या नशे के कारण बेसुध या विक्षिप्त स्थिति में होना. Similar words incoherent, hallucinating, frantic, frenzied. Example: the patient was delirious with high fever. Yield, yield, मतलब उत्पादन करना या प्रदान करना, दबाव में समर्पण करना. Similar words succumb, capitulate, relinquish, accede. Example: the investment is expected to yield a good profit. Wield, wield, मतलब किसी औजार या हथियार को पकड़ना और इस्तेमाल करना, शक्ति का प्रयोग करना. Similar words brandish, manipulate, exercise, employ. Example: the leader wields considerable influence over the committee. Desecration, desecration, मतलब किसी पवित्र स्थान या वस्तु का अपमान या अपवित्रीकरण. Similar words sacrilege, profanation, blasphemy, impiety. Example: the desecration of the temple caused wide-scale protests. Consecration, consecration, मतलब किसी चीज को पवित्र घोषित करने या बनाने का कार्य. Similar words sanctification, hallowing, dedication, veneration. Example: the consecration of the new cathedral was a grand event. Manifestation, manifestation, मतलब किसी चीज का स्पष्ट प्रदर्शन या अभिव्यक्ति. Similar words embodiment, incarnation, revelation, substantiation. Example: the protest was a clear manifestation of public anger. Manifesto, manifesto, मतलब नीति और उद्देश्यों की सार्वजनिक घोषणा, विशेषकर चुनाव से पहले. Similar words proclamation, pronouncement, platform, edict. Example: the party's election manifesto focused on creating more jobs.